When your Tesla displays the automatic vehicle hold disabled warning, it indicates a problem with the electronic parking brake system. This system automatically engages when you stop and releases when you accelerate. The automatic vehicle hold system relies on multiple interconnected components working together. Here's how the electronic parking brake system is structured in your Tesla. The system includes 5 critical components. The electronic parking brake module controls the entire system. The brake booster provides hydraulic assistance. Wheel speed sensors monitor vehicle movement. Brake pressure sensors ensure proper operation. And the vehicle control unit coordinates everything together. The warning appears when any of these components malfunction or when there's a software issue. The most common hardware problem is brake booster failure, especially in older Model S and X vehicles. Faulty wheel speed sensors are also frequent, particularly in winter conditions. Recent data shows this warning affects 8 to 12% of Tesla vehicles annually. The occurrence rate is higher in vehicles over 3 years old, reaching 15 to 18%. High-mileage vehicles with over 75,000 miles also experience increased rates. The Tesla Center console shows the parking brake button and gear selector. When the AVH system fails, this button may not function properly, and you'll see the warning on your dashboard display. Understanding this warning is the first step toward resolution. The system is designed as a safety feature, so when Tesla detects any potential issue, it disables the function to prevent problems. In the next section, we'll explore specific troubleshooting steps and solutions. When your Tesla shows the automatic vehicle hold disabled warning, start with these simple troubleshooting steps that you can perform yourself. First, perform a soft reset by holding both steering wheel scroll buttons simultaneously for 10 seconds. This resets the vehicle's computer systems and often resolves temporary software glitches. If the reset doesn't work, drive your Tesla for 15 to 25 miles using varied conditions. Include city driving, highway speeds, and gentle braking. This allows the brake system to recalibrate its sensors and restore normal operation. Check your 12-volt battery voltage using a multimeter. The voltage should be above 12.4 volts. A weak 12-volt battery can cause various system malfunctions, including disabling the automatic vehicle hold feature. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the issue, professional diagnosis is required. Tesla service centers use specialized diagnostic tools to identify specific error codes and pinpoint the exact component causing the problem. There are 2 main categories of solutions. Software recalibration can resolve about 35% of cases through over-the-air updates or service center reprogramming. For hardware issues, component replacement may be necessary. The brake booster is the most commonly replaced component, especially in older Model S and Model X vehicles. This critical component assists with brake pressure and integrates with the automatic vehicle hold system. Prevention is always better than repair. Keep your Tesla software updated, maintain your 12-volt battery, and protect sensors from environmental damage. Regular maintenance and prompt attention to warning signs can prevent most automatic vehicle hold issues. Tesla's current success rate for resolving automatic vehicle hold issues exceeds 95% when proper diagnostic procedures are followed. Most problems are fixable, and newer vehicles benefit from improved components and predictive maintenance features.